Hey everyone, it's DMate814 here. My parents aren't home right now, so I'm gonna do a video, and my video is gonna be about how to make either your tech deck or your pro fingerboard, which is that and that. So you have to make it like where it has loose trucks, but they won't fall out. So for a pro fingerboard, you'll need super glue, but I don't think we're going to be needing that. Okay, so, well, we might be, so I'm just going to set that aside. So you take your fingerboard or your tech deck. If you want a tech deck, it's really pretty easy. So you want to grab one of your tools to get your unscrew one of the trucks like this. Like that. Now, you see that little white thing right here? I'm going to try and take it out. Takes a while. And I almost had it. Takes a little... Come on. I think you should take out the truck to do that. This piece, you should take that out. It seems much easier. You put the truck back in, and basically all you want to do now, put this back in here, and oh, it fell out again. Sorry. It's just these things when you drop them and like go on like carpet, like what I have, like, oh my god. See, hold on. Let me show you. If you have carpet like this, it's really hard to find them. But I seem to get lucky and find them once in a while. My cat's right behind me. Hi, Sarah. And here you go. Easiest way is like to press your finger down on the bolt, and then you just put it in. God! This is so hard. Hold on, let me do this off camera. You should lean it forward, and you can get it in without falling out. I just seem to not want to do that. Don't want that loose. A little tighter. A little bit more. That's about good. Now you just do the same with this one. And they tighten these things really tight. Oh, Sarah's about to go on the camera. Hi. My stand just fell. Get out of the picture. Get off. Sorry about that. She likes to roam. This is like... Do the same like the last one. You could freaking get this out. Hey, look. Oh, that seemed to work really well. Well, yeah, do that. That worked very well. The bolt too. So you take that out, put that back in, and then do what I showed you last time. Shut up. Stop meowing like that. Maybe I should tighten this one a little bit more. that. Now you've got loose trucks, so you can just turn actually. And back and forth like a real. Then you just put these things. I don't know what they're called, but I know they're like tech stuff. You know what I call them? Because on a pro fingerboard, here, hold on, let me put these aside. Right there. Not too far off the screen. So when you have a pro fingerboard, like if you look closely, there's squishy ones. Hold on. Focus. Really squishy, and that helps it turn much better. So yeah, and these ones are like hard. Like you can't even squish them down. They make marks. You see that? It's crazy. So you put these extra stuff. I call them gummies. Put those in your like toolbox, which I have, but it's in my room. Too far. That's too far away. It's right there. It's too far. Way too far. I'm just a lazy bum, just like my dad. No, never mind. I didn't say that. My dad's not lazy. He's tough. He's a firefighter. He's not lazy. Never lazy. Working all day. So that's basically it. And for these ones, I already did these today, just now. Basically all you want to do is just unscrew the bolts if they're way too tight and you like can't move the trucks at all. Unscrew the bolt, get some super glue, and once you have the bolt out, what you want to do is sort of take out the washer, but don't. It's like still on the screw part thing right there. That's shoots through here where you put all these things on. Be quiet. So what you do with that is shush. So you know she's just pretend you don't hear her. Okay, so you take the bolt out. You like if the sort of squishy thing, gummies, the way I say it, are in there, but they're like squashing out pretty much. Then you want to like lift up the washer a little higher, and like it'll undo itself, and then you put the screw on to where you like the trucks loose, and then you grab the super glue, then you like glue the pieces right here. You glue them together, and that's what I did with these two, because these two used to be like, when you roll, they didn't even turn, they didn't even want to, they'd be like, "Urgh." So yeah, it was pretty hard to move, but after doing what I did, I can turn really well, and they're not going to come out because they have super glue. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Alright, peace out. What's up?